Oh my god, oh no, please, please, please let this work. You know what? I'm just gonna try and.
Snapping, snapping. 손눈을 가리고. Snapping, snapping. 지친 맘을 던지고. 비틀대는 몸짓으로 잠시 널.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Unbeaten Reacts. I am Namu. Welcome to this channel. Please, if you're new, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, leave comments. We react to all kinds of K-pop videos and analyze all the stuff. And today, this is, I feel, an important video because many of the people were confused regarding this. Today we are reacting to Changa's Stay Tonight, which is her pre-release one from her upcoming album, which is I'm super excited for because Changa, it's been a while since we have seen Changa. It's been almost like 10-11 months since Snapping, her last mini album maybe, or was that a single album? I don't know. I don't remember, but yeah, it's been long. She has been throwing out some OSTs in between, and of course there are like CFs and advertisements and stuff, but nothing of a bigger projects from her, and this is one of the bigger projects. So we are reacting to a pre-release one, Stay Tonight, and there was a bit of a controversy between Changha and the Indian fans because they complained about one of her teaser photos, uh, which was like they said it was racist against Indians or it was cultural appropriation, and she was using it without any sense of the heritage of Indian culture. Now, me personally, being an Indian student living in India, um, I it's it's like this for me that it is I don't really care as much. Is that bad to say? It's like really enjoy mixing with other cultures. That's the first place why I got into K-pop, because the Korean culture is so versatile and so diverse, and I don't really matter trying out new stuff, and I feel Changa is just doing trying out newer styles and newer stuff. And second point that I want to mention, that this isn't the first time this has happened. Recently, Hyuna was also there was uh, heat against Hyuna for her braids styling, which were the people referred to as cultural appropriation against African Americans. But it all came down anyway. There are people who would always oppose and who are always, I feel, oversensitive in these topics, and there are many of those who are accepting, and especially since no one is openly, outrightly targeting a group or targeting a culture and disrespecting a culture outright. I feel they just were trying out new styles, and it's fine for them to try out these different styles. Anyway, we're gonna check out the MV. Also, if you're gonna check out the MV, again a pro tip: do it on her own YouTube channel. There is a Changa YouTube channel which has 1.1 million views, instead of doing it on the Stone Music Entertainment, which has 2.5 million views currently. So please don't do that. Please do it on her own YouTube channel because it helps her to grow as a brand. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let go. What was written there? Don't open the gifts. There must be something in the gift. Okay, weird. This seems like a darker concept, or more powerful concept at least. Okay. Plucking the guitar, I guess. of all, okay, that's a bad place to pause. Look at the visuals. Oh my god, Queen! I'm literally fanboying Changha. She's amazing. And those vocals as well.
all the time. Warning, warning, 왜 이리 서투니 널 내게
And we're of course gonna pay special attention to the dance because as you all know, Changha is the dance queen. She's the goddess of dance. Since produced this, okay, hand thrown. There's a lot of black and white contrast. Like the upper and lower bars were originally black, but now they're white. Okay, build up. Stay tonight. Ooh, there was a similar dance move to Geo in Field Special. Here, you know what I mean? Okay, chorus. Okay, nice. Okay. Ooh, that outfit. Were those pants? Oh, okay. Wait a second. First of all, this outfit. Oh god, I can't pause. You saw that, right? The pants connect. Yeah, here. The pants connected to her shoes. And the hip movement. Oh my god. Changha just looks gorgeous. Oh my god. She is truly a masterpiece. Okay, so here we have some braids. I still haven't seen that outfit from her, the jewelry and the bindi. Did they last minute remove or change the music video? I guess it makes sense, right? Because the controversy started like 4 days ago, and MNH Entertainment might have acted quick and changed the music video. Who knows? Ooh. Is she inside a tank? It looks like the Pirates of Caribbean mermaid scene. Remember that? High vocals, oh my god. Okay. That's a really catchy part. A lot of hand-based choreo. And this hip movement, oh my god. And this white outfit, oh my god. Ooh, there was a cool transition there. You saw? From the white outfit to the black outfit. Nice editing. We all love nice editing, right? God. Okay, dance break. Let's see it. Ooh. Whoa, what is that? Gold and silver rain? Is there pouring glitter from above? Oh my god. Look at here. Oh my freaking, that's amazing. Okay, here's the lip piercing. That was also a famous teaser. The lip piercing. Okay, so actually we did not get the Indian themed style. Interesting. Did they? I feel like they must have changed it, right? Then why did they give so many teasers and there's not even a single shot in the music video? That's um, I feel like they must have MNH Entertainment must have changed the music video last minute. Give this a thumbs up. Okay, let's go. That was interesting. That was a good song. Lot of high vocals from Changa. I did not. I mean, yeah, she is an amazing singer, but she's initially a dancer. So it's really good to see her gradual rise in her singing talent as well. And this was a really, I feel like a high octave song. Yes, it was a really catchy beat also, and lot of dance and lot of amazing visuals. That last gold and silver scene, oh my god, that was really cool. But yeah, overall a good song, good pre-release. I'm really hyped about her upcoming album. We're gonna check that out soon. But a good pre-release. This is a solid 4 out of 5 stars, which is impressive for a pre-release, because generally pre-releases they are probably this companies save their best songs as title tracks, and pre-releases are underappreciated usually, but this was a good song. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This was my reaction to Changa Stay Tonight, and you could also say an Indian's perspective to all her controversies, which were not really seen in the video. So I'm glad about that. I'm glad MNH Entertainment is working well with Changa. And tell me what you want me to react to next. I'm checking out Oh My Girls Non-Stop. Maybe that video is coming before this. I don't know. It depends on my editing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye bye.